for thousands of years. The bedrock of traditional Chinese medicine has been its holistic approach system built not just on remedies, but on profound, interconnected skills. Ancient texts describe a path for the true practitioner, a path defined by the mastery of 5 essential clinical skills. Today, we're going to explore what these 5 skills are and why they are just as relevant now as they were centuries ago. First, and most importantly, is the skill of governing the spirit. This is a fascinating concept. It tells us that a true healer begins not with physical symptoms, but with the mind and soul of the patient. Before any herbs or needles are considered, the practitioner's first job is to help calm anxiety, restore a sense of peace, and align the patient's spirit so that it is open and ready for healing. It's a beautiful idea, recognizing that our emotional and spiritual state is the foundation upon which all physical health is built. If the spirit isn't in a place to heal, the body will struggle to follow. The second skill is understanding and nurturing life. This shifts the practitioner's role from just a healer to a teacher. It's based on the ancient wisdom of Sheng, which literally means nurturing life. The doctor must not only understand, but also effectively teach their patients how to preserve their own health, too. This includes guidance on diet, the right kind of exercise for their constitution, and how to live a balanced lifestyle in harmony with the seasons. It's the ultimate form of preventive medicine, empowering the patient to become the guardian of their own well-being. The best cure, after all, is not needing one in the first place. Third on the list is knowing the authenticity of medicines. This is the skill of a master herbalist and pharmacologist. In TCM, herbs are powerful tools, and their effectiveness depends entirely on their quality, origin, and preparation. From potent herbs that were historically referred to as poisons due to their strength, to gentle tonics that build the body's resources. 2. The practitioner must have an incredibly deep knowledge of every single item in their pharmacy. They need to know its true nature, how it was grown, and how to combine it correctly. It's a skill that requires a lifetime of study and respect for the power of nature. The fourth skill is regulating the technique of needling. While we often think of this as just acupuncture, it historically encompassed a range of manual therapies. The original texts refer to tools like the Bian stone, a sharpened stone used for pressing and lancing. Today, this skill translates to the masterful use of acupuncture needles and other hands-on techniques. It's all about precision. Slat. The practitioner must know exactly where to place the needle, how deep it should go, what size of needle to use, and how to manipulate it to achieve the desired effect on the body's energy channels. It's a delicate and highly refined art form, where technique is everything. Finally, we arrive at the fifth skill, the diagnosis of the organs, blood, and qi. This is the detective work of traditional Chinese medicine. It's the diagnostic mastery that allows a practitioner to understand what's happening deep inside the body. They learn to read the complex signs and signals the body sends out, interpreting the subtle qualities of the pulse of the wrist, observing the color and coating of the tongue, and listening carefully to the patient's description of their symptoms. Through this, they can identify imbalances in the Zang-Fu or the internal organ systems and diagnose disruptions in the flow of vital energy, known as qi and blood. These 5 methods governing the spirit, nurturing life, knowing your herbs, precision and technique, and diagnostic mastery form a complete, holistic framework. To be skilled in one of these areas is admirable. But the ancient texts tell us that to master all 5 is the mark of a truly great physician. It's a lifelong journey of integrating mind, body, nature, and spirit. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of ancient wisdom. If you found this fascinating, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of health and wellness. See you in the next video.